G'day and welcome to this week's video. My name's Robert Gowdy, and yesterday, Tuesday, the government announced some changes to superannuation legislation where they're going to look to increase the tax on large superannuation balances over $3 million. So it's always a concern when the government are constantly changing the rules, and it makes people worried that these constant rule changes will continue to come in, and it has what we've seen over a long period of time. And the Liberals brought in substantial changes in 2017. So for those that have over $3 million from a few years' time, and this is yet to be legislated, they're looking to tax any income above this amount at 30%. But that still leaves a lot of money, and this is on a per individual basis. So there are still huge incentives, tax incentives, to put money into superannuation and save on an ongoing basis. And there's also a huge incentive to have money in superannuation in pension mode once you are retired and over the age of 60, as all superannuation pensions over the age of 60 and retired will be completely tax-free. So, and these pensions amount, that's what was capped in 2017, and that's been indexing over the last few years. So it started at 1.6, it's now 1.7, and from July this year is about to go to $1.9 million. So whilst it's a significant change, a couple, these are individual caps, a couple can have from July this year $1.9 million in superannuation pension completely tax-free within the fund and tax-free out of the fund. Anything above that, up to the $3 million above that amount, would be taxed at a maximum of 15%. And that's where the change over and above $3 million per person will be taxed, the income will be taxed at 30%. So this is estimated to affect 0.5% of the superannuation members in Australia, which is about 80,000. And please remember that there's strategies, obviously as individuals we can earn money tax-free on a yearly basis. And for those that are over pension age can earn, as a couple, about $29,000 tax-free each. So it's still a lot of money you can have outside of superannuation. So there'll be strategies and things that we can implement to make sure that, that we're paying as little tax as possible. And I think the fundamental basis and benefit of using superannuation is still there and sound. Thanks for listening. Catch you next week. Please remember, this is general advice only, and this needs to be legislated. So if you need to find out more about it, please speak to your qualified financial advisor. Thanks for listening.